Thanks for joining us today. We've got a 10-minute full body dumbbell workout. Join along with us. It's gonna go by quick. Let's jump right into it.
Are you ready? We're gonna have no warm-up today. If you wanna work out with a warm-up, jump onto one of our 30-minute workouts. Those we have warm-ups. We're gonna start out for 3 minutes. You're gonna have 3 exercises, each exercise completed 6 times, as many times through. So you go as fast, as hard as you can in 3 minutes. First exercise, plank position. You're gonna be a plank row. Level hips, you're gonna pull your right elbow to your right side, back down, left elbow to your left side. You're gonna be 6 total, 3 on each side. Right into 6 push-ups. From there, you jump in, feet narrow, and you're gonna give me 6 swing cleans. So your hips go back, weights by your hips, right up into your shoulders, catch them. 6, then you jump right back down into 6 plank rows, as many times as you can.
Do it.
This is gonna be great. Okay, 3 minutes. You're gonna go as fast as you can, follow along, or go faster than us. We're just gonna do our best as well. Get ready in 2, 1, and go. 6 plank rows, elbow to your side. Don't let those hips move back and forth. I know I'm gonna make you count a little bit. And then right into 6 push-ups with your hands on the dumbbells. It's all about control, good strength. Whew, breathe it out. And 6, the first round is gonna be hard because your body's just getting loose, getting strong. 3, keep it going. 4, send those hips back. Make sure your back does not round when you do this. Curl it up to your shoulders. All right, we've got 6. Back down to plank rows, come on. Elbows to your side, push into that floor. Keep your hips nice and still. When you get to your push-ups, you can widen those hands a little bit. Set up, you don't have to jump right into it. Perfect push-ups. Make sure those elbows go back in a T, not a T position, arrow position. You don't want your elbows to flare out. Woo, and swing it out. We're 1 minute down. Good, and 3. Get it, Brad. You've got it across that screen. Keep going. Push, push, push. Plank rows. Keep those hips super still. Drive those heels to the back wall. Make sure your hips stay nice and still. Push that floor away as you pull. Get into your push-ups. I always reset up. Exhale as you press up. You're strong in those push-ups. You can knock it out. Woo, Brad's passing me. I'm gonna try to catch up. Nah, it's not all about catching up. It's about making sure your form is perfect. Sending those hips back, hips forward. Squeeze your glutes. Try not to, when you send those hips back, forward. Often I see people really arch their back. No arching your back. Okay, let's go. 1 minute left. Keep that form perfect. You're only here for 10 minutes today. You can always have 10 minutes to get a good workout in. You have to stay mentally strong though. Good push-ups, Brad. Push-ups, push-ups. Get it. Knock out those push-ups. Elbows back at about a T position. Make sure your hips aren't sagging. Good, let's go. Woo. And then swing it out. Use power in those hips. Catch those dumbbells at your shoulders. Keep it going. You're almost through. You have 20 seconds left. Woo. All right. Come on, we've got this. Row it out or push up it out. Brad does push-ups. He's gonna knock out the final set. Good, good. Come on, Brad, you got those swings. Finish it up. You too, come on. Woo. Nice work. Put those weights away. We're gonna take about a 30-second break. We're gonna show you the next round of 3 movement. Okay, great. First 3 minutes. We're gonna jump into 3 more exercises. We're gonna focus more on our lower half. Again, 6 reps of each exercise. You're gonna start up at your shoulders. You're gonna give me 6 perfect squats. Sit down into those heels. Give me 6. From there, let those weights come to your side. You're gonna give me 6 reverse lunges. Make sure that knee comes back almost to the ground. Your front heel stays planted in the ground. I don't wanna see people way back like so. Straight into 6 single leg deadlifts, alternating legs. So send that hip back. Your leg is about 90 degrees. Drive it forward, switch legs. So we're a hinge pattern, sending it back. So 3 reps on each leg to make 6 total. Got it?
Do it, 3 minutes.
3 minutes, as many rounds as you can. Get ready, get set, and go. Give me 6. I encourage you to maybe even keep track of how many rounds you do, so when you decide to come back and do this workout again, which I know you will because everybody loves it, that you track your reps or your rounds, so when you do it again next time, you can maybe try to beat it. I think it's always good to have a goal. Good. And 6, perfect. Those single leg deadlifts, send those hips back. Let that foot come up. If you have a lack of balance or you feel really wobbly or unstable and your hips get offset, you can always put your toe down. Your knees are lined up, sending those hips back. And then switch legs. So my toe stays down to keep my hips stable, and so I allow myself to be a little bit more balanced in my movements. That's always 110% okay. You have to rock it out, doing it right, whatever you can do. Don't just try to stick that leg up because you want to be like everybody else. Good. It's all about doing it right. That's why we're here, to get stronger correctly. Good. Keep that weight in your front heel in your lunge. Good, good. All right, single leg deadlift. Send those hips back, stay nice and stable. Alternating.
Yep, alternating.
Good. We're hinging. You should feel this more in your hamstrings and your glutes. Your squats and your lunges, you should feel it more in your quads and your booty. Come on, get it. Only a minute and a half left. Knock it out. Brace your core at the bottom of that squat. Perfect lunges. If you want more intensity right now, you can always add jumps to your lunges or keep them static. I'm sorry, not static, stationary. Good. We're giving you guides, but if you're more advanced and you want to add the jumps, you can add the jumps. If you need to drop your weights because you're getting fatigued and your form starts failing because your weights are too heavy, by all means, drop your weights and do it. Let's go, we only have 40 seconds left. Whew. Let's go, come on you guys, push. Lunges, get them out, knock them out. It's only a total of 9 minutes of work today with little breaks in between. You can give me 9 minutes. Deadlift it out, come on you guys. Don't let those shoulders round forward. Think about, you have 2 pieces of paper in each, a piece of paper in each armpit. Don't let those shoulders round forward.
If you're getting sloppy, slow down a little bit if you need to.
Yep. Come on, 5 more seconds, finish out those reps. Finish out your set of whatever you're doing. Woo! Here we go. Nice work, you guys. We have one more round of 3 minutes. All right, you guys, last 3 minutes. We're gonna burn it out. We're gonna start with 6 plank jump-ins. So your weights are your hands are gonna be on your waist. You're just gonna jump in, flat feet, 6 times. From there, that's the exercise 1. Exercise 2, we're gonna start with that. We're gonna add bicep curls. So we're gonna do a plank jump-in, do a bicep curl. That's 1, 2. So you're gonna do 6 of those. From there, we're gonna add the first 2, add an overhead press. So I'm giving me a plank jump-in, 1, overhead press. That's 1 rep. Right back down, plank jump-in, curl, press. That's 2. So we're combining all 3 movements by the 3rd exercise. Okay?
Burn it out for this
Final round.
final 3 minutes.
All right, you guys, in 5, get into that plank position right now. Plank jump in, jump wide, make sure those heels land on the ground. Give me 6, 3, work hard, and 6. Now you add that curl. 1, plank jump in, 2. Come on, keep that chest up when you curl. Elbows right on your inner thighs. Woo! Keep that core solid. Don't let your back round. All right, now add your curl to your press. Woo. Give me 6. Curl, strong core, press. After all that, you gotta keep that core solid. Your butt stays back, chest up. Otherwise, you're gonna feel a pull in your back. Good, good. I think this is my 5. One more. Curl, press, woo, 1 round. Give me 6 again, let's go. 1, heels, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, add 'em. Woo, 1. You can take a break in between if you need each set. Big chest. 4. Oh, my hips are feeling it. Good. 6. Combine it. Woo. And press. Minute and a half done. Feel like we've been going for 5 already. We're working hard. And 2. You got it. Come on, if you can go faster than us, don't keep up with us. I want you to pass us. Is that 4 or 3, Brad?
3.
4, you got it, guys. 5. We have 1 minute left. We're gonna try to finish it out. 1 more round. Come on. 1. Get it, Brad. Get it at home, you can do it. 1 more. Okay. Let's go. And curl. We're gonna try to finish it. 2. Come on, we can do this. Finish it out, guys.
Oh, my legs are burning.
Woo, yeah, they are. 5. 6. I gotta do it. Curl, press. Come on, you guys. Finish it out. 2. 3. I'm gonna try to get my 6. If I don't get my 6, I'm gonna go till I do. 4. 5. Woo, last one. And 6. Get it, get it. I want you to finish your 6, whatever you're doing, because you're done after this. Get it, Brad? Nice job, you guys. That round definitely got us.
Very strong.
If the other ones didn't, that's okay, that one did. Nice job, you guys.
Thanks for joining us today. That was a great 10-minute workout. We're gonna be adding these 10-minute workouts in along with our 30-minute workouts. So definitely check those out if you're looking for a longer workout.
Or shorter one if you don't have very much time. I know with me and my baby, we don't have too much time to work out. So these 10-minute ones are perfect.
Exactly. Let us know what you think. We definitely comment below. Definitely want to hear from you. And then like, subscribe,
Yeah.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.